Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this video. It's all of the highlights from American and Custom at Beaulieu. ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, can I please ask you to put your hands together for our 4 finalists. Put your hands together for me. And we're starting with the Classic American Car of the Year. This is the Beaulieu Heat. It's presented by Ben from Classic American and their sponsors Kingstone Shipping. Where are you, Ben? Come on down, Ben. Put your hands together, please, for Ben for me. Oh, hello, Ben. You don't look like Ben. Nice to meet you there, Ben. Ben's thrown you under the bus here, hasn't he?
Yeah.
So what's your name?
Holly.
Holly, nice to meet you, Holly. You are presenting the award to the 1955 Cadillac Eldorado 493 XVW, which is this one over here, I do believe. Is this yours? Come on over. Put your hands together for your winners of the Classic American Car of the Year, Beaulieu Heat. Watch the floor, it's very simple. Lovely to meet you. How are you doing?
Stunned.
Stunned? Right, you were not expecting this now?
No, we weren't. It's fabulous.
No? Well, you're here now. This is your 15 minutes of fame, because you've got all these people here looking at you. Your car's absolutely fabulous. I mean, don't you think that's absolutely? There's always one showing off. He's just trying to steal your limelight. What size engine's in yours?
331 cubic inches.
And what's that in British?
5.4 litres.
5.4 litres. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please put your hands together for the winners of the Classic American Car of the Year, the Beaulieu Heat, and introduce you to Holly from Kingstone Shipping. She will present you with your award. Many congratulations to you. We have the Solent Renegade choice, and this is presented by Dan and Malcolm from Solent Renegades. Where are you guys? Come over and join me. Come on, put your hands together for me for Dan and Malcolm. How are we going, sir? We well? We good?
Yeah, we're good, mate. Yeah.
We're good. How about you?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. What have you done to your finger?
A dog bit it yesterday.
A dog bit it? Well, I'll tell you what, we're a matching pair. Look. Look at that. A dog didn't bite mine. I was chopping some basil and then I was chopping my finger. It's quite painful. But you have chosen as the 1970 Dodge Challenger Alan Fee. Where are you, Alan? Come on over. Yes, that's you. Come on down. Just watch the floor. It's incredibly slippy. I don't want you slipping out. I will edit. If you do slip over, I will edit it out. Apart from the live bit. Lovely to meet you. How do you feel to be walking away with the trophy today?
Surprised, mate.
Really?
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
Well, you heard what Dan and Malcolm said here. They said they both stopped dead and looked at it.
Yeah. Well, I had the bonnet open, see.
Oh, okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for your winner of the Solent Renegades choice, Alan Fee, with his 1970 Dodge Challenger. Alan, over to you, sir. Congratulations to you. Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Andy Saunders Award. Andy Saunders, where are you? Come on over, sir. Put your hands together for Andy Saunders, our show ambassador. Ever so popular as ever, sir. A pleasure to see you. We were both here crack of dawn. You were working away, getting the cars ready, and I was here putting up some banners, putting the coffee on, feet up. So you have chosen a car today. But you have chosen, this is the our show ambassador, you have chosen the, I believe, is it a 1935? Is it really 1935? I'm stunned.
This car is so important in the way of custom, because everything up to 34 became hot rods. Everything that was Salt Lake Racers, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, they all became hot rods. 35, Ford brought this out, and it was the first fat, they called it the fat body Ford, and it was the very first car that could be customised rather than hot rodded. And this is, as far as I'm aware, the only example in England.
Fantastic. Well, there you are, the 1935 Ford Cabriolet. Where are you, sir? Terry Smith. Terry, where are you? Come on, Terry, come on down. Do you want a moment? Like I said, be careful on the floor. It's really slippery. Yeah. Congratulations to you, sir. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, incredible.
You're not expecting this, no?
No.
Well, Andy Saunders, who, by the way, is a car-making god. Have you seen what he's turned up with today?
Yeah, I know. I follow him.
So do I. Whereas I'm like, bow down to the god of car building, has chosen your car. Has chosen your car as his choice. So well done to you. Legends, put your hands together for our winner, Terry Smith, with the Andy Saunders Award. And you've got your prizes there. Now, you've got a very glamorous truck and also a prize from Autoglym. Big thanks to those guys for sponsoring all of our awards. And that leaves just one prize to give, which is essentially your vote, ladies and gentlemen. You've all been out voting for about 4.5 hours. We've counted them all up. And this is the People's Best in Show. And this is also presented by John, Head of Visitor Operations and Experience. And this is going to the 1955 Buick Century sat right here. Who is this yours? Come on over, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for the People's Best in Show. Congratulations to you. I have to say, I saw this come in this morning. Before you get this, because that's really exciting, but this is even more exciting. How long have you had this?
We've only had her a couple of years.
Only a couple of years, but it looks glorious. Did you buy it like this, or have you had to do it all yourself?
She came from the United States, was painted about 20 years ago, and yes, we imported her, bought her here, and this is her first time out.
Fantastic, first time out, and she's going home with a prize. Ladies and gentlemen, you have a fantastic choice. Please put your hands together for the People's Best in Show, our Beaulieu Century. There we are then, ladies and gentlemen. There's just one final thing I need to do. The very last thing I need to do, and this is a lot of pressure now, is I have to do something called an outro. Okay, so you've probably seen them at the end of YouTube videos. I have to film a very, very quick outro, which I'm going to try and do now. Okay, I'm going to try and do it, first of all, I'm going to do it to this camera here. So hopefully this is going to work, there's no pressure. This is the life of YouTube and nobody watching your videos. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, underneath this video you'll find a thumbs up, and right next to it you'll find a subscribe button. Hit that, you'll get a new video from me every week. Coming up next, I'm back at Beaulieu. We're going from American to British with simply Jaguar. Hopefully a few of you will be here. If not, don't worry, the video will be online the same day as always. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. You guys are fantastic. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be your commentator, Tim Watson. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you all again very soon.